Hello everyone, welcome back to the Silver tutorial series. If you are new here, I am Sonal and I post dance videos on Instagram, especially the silver dance videos. So in the previous video, I showed you how I shoot my silver dance videos. I covered the basics like lighting, background, hair, clothing, the camera settings, etc. So if you haven't watched it, please go and watch so that this part will be easy to follow. So as promised, in this part I'll be showing how I edit those silhouette videos step by step using InShot. I normally use InShot and VN for editing, but in this part I will be showing how to edit using only InShot. And one thing I want to make clear before I show the editing part is that I don't use a fixed style for all my silhouette videos as you have seen. But for this video, I'll be showing three main editing styles, that is the black and white, the warm tones and the purple tones. So these three covers most of the mode, and once you understand them, you can easily experiment on your own. So this is part 2 of how to make silhouette dance videos. So the first style is the black and white style. I usually choose black and white when I want the focus to be purely on the movements, the lines and the form. So I choose black and white. It looks very clean, very strong, and it works beautifully for classical dances. So let's move to the editing part. So what you have to do is go to InShot, then the video, then import the clips you want to edit. Import all the clips at once, then you can trim it and edit it as you like. So after importing the clips, what I do is I trim it to however I want. See, I trim it from the beginning and the end part too. See, after trimming, I go to the filters, and here I choose lunar, and in lunar you have 4 options. In that I use either dark or antique. So here I want the black and white effect, so I use dark, then go to the adjust. Now you can do is increase or decrease the brightness. I have seen a lot of people decrease the brightness, but what I like to do is increase it, so the video will be very bright. So I increase it to the maximum, but in some videos I don't increase it to the maximum, like till maybe 24 25, but here I am increasing it to the max. Then contrast, you can increase it a little bit. Then I go to the shadow part and I decrease it a little so that I can get this effect. See? So after decreasing it a bit, I go to this curve and I increase this part so that you can see the difference. Okay. Then I go to vignette, then I increase it a bit to however I like, and that's it. It is very easy to create this black and white effect. So this is the effect I used to do in the beginning because this was the easiest to do. So after editing, this is how it will look. So the second style is the warm or golden style. Warm tones are my go-to for like emotional, romantic, softer songs. It gives a sunset-like effect without overpowering the silhouette. So I just love this effect. So for the warm tone also, you have to follow the same steps. Go to new, import the video you want to edit. First you have to trim it to however you like. Then go to the filter. Choose the filter, go to lunar. Instead of dark, you should choose antique so that you will get this yellow effect. Then after that, go to adjust. In the lightness, increase it to the max. Go to warm, increase it to the max. Then go to tint. Then you can increase it to like 10 or 11. And after that, go to saturation, increase it to the max. See, you got the warmth now. Choose the curve. Here go to this orange color, then you can decrease it or increase it to however you like till you get that effect, because the videos you shot and I shot will be different, so the editing part will also be different. So you cannot say that the same brightness or contrast will work for your video too. So choose it according to your videos. So here I'm decreasing the white part a little so that I'm getting this effect. See, if it is up, it looks like this. If it's down, you can experiment to however you like. See, some people will like this vignette effect, but I don't like in some videos. I keep it some such. So this is what you have to do to get this warm.
நிதம் காண்கின்றவான் கூட நிஜமல்ல இதம் சேர்க்கும் கனா கூட சுகமல்ல நீ இல்லாமல் நான் இல்லையே.
So next one is the purple tone. I usually use purple tones for the songs that feel very dreamy or intense, and this style adds drama without taking attention away from the silhouette and my movements. So I love this too. I have used this effect for a lot of my videos. So to get the purple effect, go to the filters, then the lunar filter, and that you should choose the dark one. Go to adjust, increase the brightness, increase the contrast. Then I go to the shadow and I am decreasing it now. I'm increasing it now a little bit. Then go to the tint, increase it to the max. See, now you got the purple effect. Then you can go to the warmth. If you are increasing it, you will get this pinkish reddish tone, but if you are decreasing it, you will get a blue tone. So now we want purple. So what we are doing is we will keep it in the middle to the 0. So there is no warmth, neither cool tones. Then that's it. Now you got the purple effect. And that's it for today. This is how I edit my silhouette dance videos in InShot app. In the next video, I'll be showing how to give these exact colors to your videos using the Villian editor app. It's a bit tricky and takes time. That's why I'm saving it for the next video. And that's it. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment or DM me. And if you want to know the editing of certain videos, please do ask me, because I'll be showing it in the other videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.